So we kind of made reference to this little part on the bottom of page 6. How do you know that 14 is the common factor? Remember when we looked at the table, the two common numbers that were in the table row were 2 and 7. Now, if you look at it, you would have, I think it was 2 times 2, blank space, 7, and then we had 2 and then a 3 right here. Now, one way that might help you keep your table a little more organized is if you cross out, okay, right here. Like if I put an X here, that tells me that I know that there's not a common 3 there. If I put an X here, that tells me that I know that there's not a common 2 there. All right, so therefore, the only things that can be in common are the ones that are stacked or on top of each other, is a 2 and a 7. And when you multiply it together, like we talked about a while ago, 2 times 7 equals 14. All right, and why is there space between the 2 and the 7? We just talked about that. Turn and talk to your table and tell them why there's a space there, or your neighbor and tell them why there's a space there. You got 5 seconds. That's right. That's because they're not in common. It's not common. You don't have a 3 in common there. All right. So we are going to flip on over to page number 7.